Hello dear children, all are welcome to our 4th standard mathematics online class. In this class, we have to continue our self practice sum. Self practice 5b, I have to take the 6th sum. The 6th one is 89,261 divided by 35. 89,651. This one is 6th sum. 89,651 divided by 35 divided by 35. Okay. So let us see the self practice sum. This is exercise sum 6th one, 89,261 divided by 35. Okay, 89,261 idala divide pannu 35 yala divide panna. Okay. So listen children, the first 89,261 is also divided. What's the name? Divided. And 35 is also divisor. 35 is divisor. So first all of you divide 89,261. So divisor enga varuma outer la. Okay. So first all of you write the table 35 in your right margin. Right margin la enna table irukkum. This is compulsory. So first all of you write the self practice 5b and write the side heading divide, and next you have to start 6th sum. Okay. Take 6th one. So first all of you in division, first all of you take the first two numbers, since divisor is also 2-digit number. So first you have to take the first 2-digit number. Okay. The first 2-digit number is 89. 89. So next you have to check whether how many 35 is also there in 89. See the table, 135 35, 235 70 and 335 105. So 105 is the biggest number of 89. 89 under 105 is the biggest number. So just you have to stop. 235 are 70. 235 are 70. So how many 35 is also there in 89? 235. 2 into 35. How many? 2. So you have to write 2 in quotient portion. Okay. So 2. 2 into 35. 2 in 35 multiply panna answer is 70. Answer is 70. Okay. So next subtract these two numbers. Next time same. The first number is second one is subtract panna. Next 9 minus 0 9. 8 and 7 subtract panna answer is 1. So next down the next number. What's the next number? 2. Next all of you down the number 2. Next check how many 35 is also there in 192. So all of you see the table. 535 175. 635 210. So 210 is the biggest number, right? So just you have to stop. 535 is a 175. 535 is a 175. So from the 5 you can write in quotient portion. So 535. 535 is a 175. And the answer is divided and the number is down. Okay. So next you have to subtract these two numbers. The number is subtract. So 2 and 5 subtract. No. You can borrow one number from the previous place. So in the place our number borrow 9 change 8. 2 becomes 12. 2 in the change 12. 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Okay. Next 8 minus 7 equal to 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So next all of you down the next number 6. 176. 176. 535 is 175. 635 number 210. Up you have to stop 535. So again you have to write 535 is 175. 175. So next you have to subtract this number. 6 and 5 subtract answer in 1. 7 and 7 0 subtract answer in 0. 1 and 1 subtract answer in 0. Okay. So next you have to down the next number 1. So 11 is the smallest number. 11 is also smallest number. But this 1 is also there in divided. And the number in divide and then. Okay. Suppose this number is also smallest number of divisor. Divisor விட இந்த number smallest இருந்தா just you have to put the value 0 in quotient place. 0 in quotient place the 0 விட்டு இந்த balance இதோட stop. ஓகேவா division என்ன செய்யணும் இதோட stop பண்ணுங்க. Suppose இப்போ நீங்க டவுன் பண்ண நம்பர் என்னமா 1 இங்க என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு 11. 11ங்கிறது எதோட smallest number? divisor விட 11 என்னது smallest number. அப்போ smallest numberனா 35 11ல இருக்குமா? No. So just you have to put the value 0 in quotient place. Quotient place நீங்க என்ன போட்டா போதும் 0 மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணா போதும். 11 க்கு இதோட என்ன செய்யணும் stop. Okay. So what's the quotient? Quotient equal to 2550. 2550 and remainder equal to 11. Remainder equal to 11. Okay. So dear children, once again I have to tell you, and the last number I have to down the number 1. But the 11 is the smallest number. This smallest number 35 விட 11 is the smallest number. But next you have to do the division. No. நம்மளால இதை என்ன செய்ய முடியாது டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. So just அப்ப இதே மாதிரி இதை டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாத நம்பர் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பரா இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும் குவாஷியன்ட்ல 0 போட்டுட்டு இந்த டிவிஷனை என்ன செய்யணும் இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். ஓகே. Plus 12th one 55,576 divided by 64. 55,576 எதால divide பண்ணுமா 64 ஆல் divide பண்ணும். So the divisor என்ன 64. What's the dividend? 55,576, right? Right. So first all of you write this table. Which table you have to write? 64. Okay, you can write the table 64 in your right margin. Right margin என்ன இருக்கும் 64 ஓட table. Okay. So next all of you do that division sum. So 55,576 divided by 64. Okay. So listen children. So first all of you go to left to right. First take the first two number. The first two number is also 55. But this 55 is also smallest number of divisor. Divisor is the smallest number. Suppose divisor with any number smallest number, you have to take the first 3 digit number. First 3 digit number. Okay. The first two number divisor with the smallest number, you can take first three numbers. Okay. You can take first 3 digit number. So the first 3 digit number is 555. 555. I'll have to see the table. 864 are 512. 964 are 576. So just you have to stop. 864 are 512. 864 are 512. So how many 64 is also there? 864. How many 64? 864. So you can write 8 in your quotient portion. So 8. Okay. 864 are 512. 512. Next you have to subtract these two numbers. So next you have to subtract these two numbers. 5 and 2 subtract பண்ணா என்ன answer வரும் 3. 5 and 1 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன 4. 5 and 5 subtract பண்ணா answer என்ன 0. Next you can down the next number 7. Next number 7. 437. 437. So how many 64 is also there in 437? 437 la 64 how many times irukku check pannu. So I'll see the table. 764 are 448. So நீ எதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணும் 664 are 384. 664 are 384 because 448 is the biggest number. So just you can stop 664 are 384. So you can write 6 in portion 6. So 664 are 384. 384. Next you have to subtract. The answer no divide into subtract. Okay. So next you have to subtract. 7 and 4 subtract panna answer enna 3. 3 and 8 direct subtract panna no. So you can borrow one number from the previous place. Now 4 and one number eduttu 4 change 3. Okay. And 3 becomes 13. 3 becomes 13. So 13 and 8 subtract panna answer enna? Very good. 5. all of you down the next number. What's the next number? 6. So 536. 536. So next we have to check. So already we divide for 536. How many 64 you can check for. Okay, so how many 64? See the table. So 8 64s are 512. 9 64s are 576. So just we can stop. 8 64s are 512. 8 64s are 512. So you can write 8 64s are 512. Okay. So next we have to subtract these two numbers. 6 into subtract answer in 4. 3 into subtract answer in 2. 5 into 5 subtract answer 0. Okay. So next you can stop this number. Next is any number is also there? No. This is no number. So just 24 is also smallest number of 64. 64 and 24 is the smallest number. From my stop. Divided stop. Divides the smallest number of you can stop. Okay. So in the previous sum, already sum divided number divided no number. Okay. So just you can stop this. So what's the quotient? Quotient equal to 868. What's the remainder? Remainder equal to 24. So quotient equal to. It's all if you write the answer. Quotient equal to 868 and remainder equal to 24. Remainder equal to 24. I have to take the 19th one. The 19th sum is 52,675 divided by 95. 52,675. So what's the dividend? Very good. 52,675. 52,675. What's the divisor? Divisor is 95. Divisor equal to 95. So first all of you write your table in your right margin. So right margin in table. Next you have to start the division. Okay. So first take the first number. The first two digit number is also 52, right? Yes. 52 is also smallest number of 95. 95 you have 52 in number. Smallest number. So next you have to take first three numbers. Number 3. Okay. 526. Suppose smallest number is next number. Say the number. Okay. So you have to take the first three digit number 526. 526. Next you have to check how many 95 is also there in 526. So 526 la 95 how many times you can check. So now you see the table. 526 whether 595 equal to 475, 695 equal to 570. 570. So you can stop. 595. 595 equal to 475. Whether stop 595 stop. So 595 is 475. So you can write 5 in quotient portion. So 595 multiplied by the answer 475. 475. So listen children. 595 multiplied by the answer 475. Okay, so 526 level 475 next is subtract. So you can subtract these two numbers. 6 level 5 subtract 1 So 2 level 7 subtract 1. Just you can borrow one number. 5 level now 4. 2 is change 2 becomes 12. Okay, 12 level 7 subtract answer 5. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Next, you can down the number 7. So next you can check how many 95 is also there in 570. In a 570 is 95 number biggest number. So next you can see divided a process. So 570 95 how many times you can find? 595 is 475, 695 570. From stop 5. Very good. So 595 is 475. So next you can subtract these two numbers. So the number is subtract. So 7 and 5 subtract answer is 2. Next 1 and 7 subtract no. So just you can borrow one number. So 5 change 4 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Okay. So next all of you down the number 5. Now 5 down that is 425. 425. So 425 is also biggest number. So you can check how many 95 is also there in 425. How many? 495 is a 380, 595, 470. So either way 475 number biggest number. Now you stop 395 you stop. So 395 is a so 395 is a what's the answer? 200. Oh sorry guys. 495 is a 380, right? Right. So 495 is a 380. So next you can subtract these two numbers. 5 and 0 subtract one answer no. 2 and 8 subtract no. So you can borrow one number. 4 becomes 3 and 2 becomes 12. 2 becomes 12. 12 and 8 subtract one answer. 4. So next any number is also there? No. So just you can stop this. You are no stop. Okay. So what's the quotient? 554 is quotient. 45 is also remainder. 45 is remainder. So you can write the answer. What's the quotient? Quotient equal to 554. What's the remainder? So remainder equal to 45. Remainder equal to 45. Session. Self practice 5B. Do 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So page number 67. Page number 67. So all of you do the homework properly.